today. It is the 26th of May 2022. Today we have approached technically these two channels, and most of the anode resistors were broken, were defect, and we had to bypass quite many. But it starts working. Let us look here now. You can see here is a horizontally left. Here is a vertically down. This channel was working already. We have already noticed it in the foregoing films. And this channel is dead. So I suppose that also this channel is now having a problem with anode resistors. And I had quite some luck that we had or possessed already a module which isn't complete, but there are enough remaining circuitry parts that I could use it as a set to compare what it should be or not should be, because the resistors were built so in such a crumpy condition that some were impossible to read off what their values were. But it is nice. You see here, I don't know why, this is horizontally left, this is vertically down, this isn't working, and this one is the north signal. And here you see this might have, wait a minute, this is 3, no, this is 4, and maybe when we reduce the sensitivity, no, I can't see where the screw is. So you see I reduced the sensitivity, but it is starting to function. Or I must confess that I don't know why it is not north-west or north-south and east-west. No, it is down and to the left-hand side, and this is to the horizontal side. So we should expect that this channel is then to the right-hand side. If you call this north, this should be west, this is south, and this is west. It's very strange, but we have already achieved something today, and we are very pleased with the result.